Hi, I'm Rachel Land, a yoga medicine teacher here with Yoga International to help you decode some yoga teacher talk. Before we get started, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to get all the great content. Now, today, we're going to be decoding the cue, hug your hips toward the midline, which can be a difficult one to wrap your head around. So imagine that you're in a crescent lunge stance, one leg forward and the other leg back. A really common pattern that we see is the hip of the front leg swaying out to the side. In fact, it might even give you the feeling of getting a better stretch in the back leg. So the hips hugging the midline cue is about taking the outsides of the hips, especially the one on the front leg, and drawing it back in toward the midline. So it'll bring the hips a little closer to the line of the spine, maybe lift you a little higher and having you feeling stronger and more stable. Now, the anatomical reason behind that cue, there's a muscle on the side of the pelvis called gluteus medius, and it helps us to stabilize the pelvis anytime we're standing single-legged. So if you visualize the position of that muscle from the side and slightly to the back of the pelvis, catching the head of the leg bone, the femur bone, as we hug the hips in toward the midline, that muscle shortens to take the thigh bone a little more firmly into the pelvis. So next time you're in a yoga class and you hear the cue to hug the hips toward the midline, hopefully that gives you a helpful visual to go along with it. Let me know in the comments what you thought and maybe any other tips that you'd like decoded.